Hi, my name's Jack and I'm the Viewings and Inquiries Account Manager for 𝗘𝗫𝗧 Town Hall and 𝗘𝗫𝗡 The Exchange. We're actually at 𝗘𝗫𝗡 Exchange today. I'm here to show you around. Here at The Exchange we have 1 and 2 bedroom apartments. They both come fully furnished. In terms of communal areas, we have a 24-hour gym and we also have a meeting room that you can use. The building is open to both students and residentials, and in terms of public transport we have Salford Quays tram stop directly opposite the building and Exchange Quay tram stop to the left of the building, both of which go to Media City and to the Manchester city centre as well. In Salford Quays there are local attractions including bars, pubs and restaurants and local sports facilities. There is also water sports on offer in the quays as well. When going through the application for one of our properties at 𝗘𝗫𝗡, you'll be given 2 different options for your deposit. We have the standard deposit where you pay the first month's rent and that acts as a deposit. We also have a deposit-free option which is called reposit, which is 1 week's rent payment, and this acts as a deposit but you do not get it back at the end of your tenancy. If you need to know any more information, please get in touch. Call the office number on 0161 669 7070 or drop myself an email at jack@𝗘𝗫𝗡𝗚𝗘management.com. I'll be happy to help.